this point, Sir Jeff and Ma'am Ann, I would like to hear some comments and feedback regarding for my hosting. Take it away, Jeff.
Thank you, Stanley, for hosting our event, special event.
Parang di sila namasay.
Magaling. Sobrang alive nung
Kaya parang talaga, sir.
Ganyan talaga siya.
ayun, maraming salamat.
Sobrang hinihin niya kasi. Ayun. Thank you kasi maganda yung pagkakahost mo kahit sobrang gulo ng mga guests namin. Ay, special na lang yung pinakamagulo. You made it wonderful. Thank you.
Subis ba tayo? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again our newlywed couple, Jeff and Ann, our Mr. and Mrs. Noguera, who just tied the knot and entered the world of marriage. We would like to acknowledge our food and venue, the Pinoy Turok Alhasam, and for all the decorations as well. Maraming salamat. To all the participants who came for that lovely event, sabay-sabay natin sabihin once again, congratulations, Mr. and Mrs. Noguera. Come on!
Alright, I'm beside Mama Ladi and Papa JR, and speaking our birthday celebration, Aya, what will be your comment or feedback, sir, Papa JR, for my hosting? Take it away.
Thank you, first of all. You make us all happy. And those, wala naglag. Kumbaga lahat masaya. Salamat. Sana maulit.
Well, thank you, Stan. Really, sobrang saya ng party natin tonight. And kita ko naman, nag-enjoy lahat. Naki-celebrate naman din lahat. Nag-enjoy tayo lahat sa party. Really, it's really recommendable. Talagang masaya talaga. Thank you so much for making this party very alive. Thank you.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that was once again the long and proud parents of our dear Aya, representing you, Mama Ladi and Papa JR.
I have with me the parents of our birthday celebrant, Mike Daniel. What will be your feedback and testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Michael.
Yeah, magaling. Tsaka masaya yung mga bata, yung mga parents ng mga bata. Magaling si Sir. Maraming salamat po.
Naiyak na ako. Meow, meow, meow.
Very approachable, and then sa mga gustong kumuha kay Sir Stanley as a host, i-contact nyo lang po siya. Very affordable at saka very approaching. So, lahat ng request nyo, ibibigay niya. And then, willing to help talaga siya. So, just contact him and then he will help you everything. So, thank you, sir. Thank you.
Maraming salamat po, sir and ma'am. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye! Ladies and gentlemen, I have with me the parents of our birthday celebrant, Gianna. What will be your feedback and testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy, Jerry.
Jerry, you did a fantastic job.
Really good. You did a fantastic job. Thank you so much for hosting us. It was really joyful and valuable thing.
Thank you so much, Stanley. Really enjoyed it tonight. Even it's difficult to control the children, but you did it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We will say bye-bye. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much, Daddy Rexon and Mommy Lovely, for having me here for tonight as your event host as we celebrate for Dasha Alia 7th birthday celebration. What will be your testimonial or feedback regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Rexon.
Well, thank you so much, Stanley, for such a very great and amazing performance tonight. And I really, really commend you for being so organized in everything that you do. So thank you. Thank you for having this celebration a success.
You're welcome, Sir Rexon. Alright, maraming salamat po. Bye-bye! Alright, I have with me beside me, Daddy Jimenez, the father of our birthday this upfront. Sergeant Adkins, what will be your message, testimonial, or feedback regarding for my hosting? Take it away.
Stanley is an amazing host and he has taken the stage on Zoom with my family and friends and he made our birthday very memorable. So I thank you from my heart to Stanley.
Thank you so much, sir, for the compliment. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much, sir, Fabian, for choosing and trusting me to be your head host on this amazing occasion. What will be your feedback or testimonial for my hosting?
He's awesome to take to a different level. We are so happy with him. Because of him, we really enjoy it.
So he has filled the crowd together, and it is so nice to have him because we saw him doing that in my friend's daughter's birthday, and we liked his performance, and then we thought we should hire him for this as well. So keep doing a good job, and then we'll come back.
His cheerfulness is so contagious.
Thank you. Bye.
I decided to let you ask the family, Daddy Omar and Mommy Ray, what will be your feedback or testimonial regarding from hosting? Take it away, Daddy Omar or Mommy Ray first.
I recommend Stanley for all your events, especially during these occasions. He also hosts weddings, so please contact him. He will put the his contact details on below.
How about Daddy Omar, what will be your comment or feedback?
Okay, we're gonna put up all your this time someday
Thank you so much, sir. Mommy Ray. Bye-bye, guys. Maraming salamat. Dada Andrew and Mama Evelyn on the house. What will be your feedback and testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Dada Andrew.
Very accommodating, very entertaining, and very enjoyable. So kudos to Sir Stanley for the great showmanship, actually. With the Chanel, pwede ba itong i-bring na?
Thank you, Sir Stanley, for making our event amazing. Amazing. Thank you.
Welcome po, that was once again the Thousand family, Dada Andrew and Mama Evelyn. Maraming salamat po. Bye-bye! The Algara family, together with Nanay, Colin, and Tatay Nobel. What will be your message or feedback regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Nanay, Colin.
Sobrang saya. Hindi na nakakalimutan. Super thank you.
Thank you. Beside Sir Ivan and Mama Romeo Como, what will be your testimonial regarding my hosting? Take it away, Sir Ivan.
You gotta say, this wedding was splendid. It was fantastic. We had a great time. It was very well organized. I love it. All events were great. And I'm glad it had family sound to us.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Good evening. I'm with Sister Marin Cadayo, the Regional Director of Ating Army Bahrain. So what will be your feedback as to our testimonial regarding our hosting? Alright, thank you,
Masaya kasi nag-enjoy kami. Thank you so much. So, hindi ako magkamali to find you in Facebook. So, if you need anything, hosting, so, Stanley will give you a fun and enjoyable event. So, maraming salamat.
Thank you po, Ma'am Marian. Salamat sa trust. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much, Daddy Adam and Mommy Charlene, for having me here for tonight as your event host. What can you say for my hosting? Take it away.
So much. Thank you so much. Thank you, Stanley, for making our celebration so lively, and all the guests participates, all your participates also, and thank you so much. Napakasaya po ng birthday.
Thank you.
Alright, once again, good evening to each and everyone. I'm with the Sena family together with Daddy Ryan and Mommy Jen. And we are celebrating for the 7 years Give Up Life for Hannah. So what will be your message, your feedback or testimonial regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Ryan.
By the way, thank you, Stanley, for this amazing event. So you organized everything and you show you're very professional in everything that you do. So thank you for making this event a success.
Yes, thank you so much for hosting our daughter's 7th birthday celebration. We recommend everyone, if you are planning to have a event or celebration, please contact him because he's really amazing when it comes to hosting. And thank you.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. Bye-bye! Alright, thank you so much, Daddy Sugan, Mommy Pooja, for having me here for tonight as your event host as we celebrate for Ryan's first birthday celebration. What will be your message regarding for my hosting? Take it away, Daddy Sugan. Come on.
So Stanley's been a very good host, and it's a pleasure to have you here. The families are really happy to have enjoyed this evening, and I'm sure a lot of people would want to have you in their functions. Personally talk to them. Don't worry.
Thank you so much, Daddy Sugan. It's a pleasure. How about for you, Mommy Pooja? What can you say for my hosting? Take it away. Come on.
I just feel good. We are like your hosting. I gave the essence to the entire party. We are thankful that we could meet you as a Legend family.
Thank you so much. Bye. Bye.
Before we officially close our program, we will listen to the word of thanks and gratitude from the proud and loving parents of Adrian Boas as we celebrate for the 2nd year Give Life. 2 years of existence for tonight. A lovely occasion. Take it away, Daddy Adrian.
Alright. First of all, thank you for coming. Thank you for making this event happen. Especially, I would like to give my thanks to our host for today, Mr. Stanley, for making our event very lively and fun.
Adding sizzle to the games.
Yes, and thank you so much. Thank you for our pastor. Thank you for the Ninong and Ninangs who came today, even though it's late already. Thank you so much for making an effort, for showing. Thank you, Lord, for this lovely event.
We'll make sure that we will refer you
Yes.
to our friends and family. Thank you
Alright.
so much.
Thank you, Stanley,
It's
for
really
making this
fun.
event very lively.
Alright, it's an honor to be your host in this amazing occasion, and I would like to take this opportunity for having me here for tonight as your event host. Many once again, this is Stanley Santos. We would like also to say thank you for our guests here for tonight. A lovely event. Yun na po. And then, maraming salamat po na sa lahat ng mga bisita nagsipunta. God bless us all. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Alright, sir. Daddy Jason and Mommy Genevieve, what will be your feedback and testimonial regarding our my hosting? Take it away, sir. Daddy Jason.
So, Stanley is a very good host. We enjoyed a lot, and the energy that he's giving to the show is like fantastic. So it's recommendable for everyone. So sa mga mommies and daddies dyan na yung mga kids nyo nag-enjoy, what are you waiting for? Book your slot now.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Daddy Jason. And Mommy Jen.